All right, so we've got Mabrouk over here just after his session about the day that AI writes our application.
Yeah.
So thank you, Mabrouk, for having us over here and be ready to talk with us. So I wanted to actually, first of all, talk and ask you, is it really possible that AI will be generating our apps and will be doing apps for us?
It is. If you attended my session, you'll say, yeah, it is.
Okay.
Like in my session, I actually had a very cool demo. Like we started from generating one class to generating a fully running microservice, and we pushed it automatically to GitHub. We created a pull request and we did review the pull request. All of this in just hitting one line of code, actually one comment. So can you imagine in these days what we can do? And that was only a POC, proof of concept.
Yeah, so that's actually my question. Is it possible that it will go out from the POC and be production ready at some point?
That's what I am planning next steps.
Okay.
I want to find contributors. This is very important because I want it to be open source. So I need contributors to do like implement more stuffs, like make it generating many things, not only APIs and web applications, but also maybe mobile applications, maybe smartwatch application, anything, maybe in other languages, not only C#. Maybe we can go for Go or Python or something like that. So we need contributors. Once I have the contributors, I will implement a suite for it, like where you can configure and define how you want to implement the software, and then let the AI implement it for you. And we are not that far about doing that.
Okay, so you want to tell me that at some point you just want to get rid of any developers and be replaced by AI, and only your contributors will still be alive in the industry?
Coders maybe, but software engineers no.
Okay.
And there is a big difference between a software engineer and a software coder. Like, and this is normal. Think about automobile industry. Like, they started with hand workers. They are doing all this stuff manually, and then come robots to do this stuff. What did they say? Oh, these robots will take our places, right? But now they created new positions: electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, cars designers, and people are comfortable with that. They like these new positions, and they are very proud doing this works, right? This job. So I think we will go in this way, and the life is like a circle. Everything is coming back and go, come back and go, come back and go.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, but taking this example that you give us with the cars.
Yeah.
So we knew that when creating a car, we need to rely on how it's built, because that's about our safety and everything. Yeah. And right now we can see that that huge change of vibe coders as well, that tend to create some applications just by vibe coding, so AI assisted coding without any knowledge. Don't you think that it's even too easy to use the AI right now, and it can harm our industry at some point?
That's a very good question. Actually, what I did in my talk is not vibe coding, because I actually don't write code, literally.
Okay.
I only hit some comments and let AI do it. Vibe coding is copy-pasting code from some AI tools, right? But at some point of time, these vibe coders will not be able to edit and do changes in the code, right?
Yep.
For me, it's different, because I am the software owner and planner and designer, actually architecture. So I define my rules, how I want to implement my software, right? Imagine like I'm a company, IT company, and I have rules. I need to follow DDD principles. I need to write classes with this and that name. I define all my structure, all my rules, coding rules, I mean, and let AI only do it. Don't think with me how I do my business. Just do it for me, and you will win time, and you have your purpose. Done, your goal, your software. Like if you are in the business, if you are doing fan stuff, like maybe we lose these funny moments writing debugging and having errors, and just you fix it, you get 500 more. This is our life.
Yeah,
this
of course.
is like hard but funny. But maybe we lose all of this fun to maybe something else will come.
So what will happen? Because I must say that I looked at your presentation, and from how it was used, it's not that different from scaffolding tools that is generating some models, some services based on some rules. So how is different your approach with AI from the scaffolding tools?
The thing is, AI can make some decisions that may take time, while it needs a lot of programming. Like AI is great in thinking how to solve such problems. What you did see is only CRUD operations, so we know these CRUD operations, they can be templating and scaffolding.
Yeah.
But when it comes to orchestrating 2 or 3 services, like insert attendee and update the conference, like update the model conference, it's not update conference, and send email, all of this. This is your business logic, but AI can tell you, hey, in this case you can use this service and this service and this service. How will you scaffold this?
Yeah, that's true.
Hard. If it's not if it's not impossible, it's hard, very hard, because you need to take a decision. And with scaffolding is a copy paste. Don't take decision. Here, AI plays this role.
Yeah, but we still need to know what decisions we would like AI to provide, right?
True.
So
that's why you need to define some rules that AI should not break these rules.
Yeah. Okay.
Once you have this, like for example, you say, we in this standard community, when we orchestrate 3 services, like foundation services, like the basic services, we don't allow orchestrating more than 3 foundation services. It's not allowed. If you do that, you need to split to 2 different orchestration services and then add an aggregation service.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
You see what I mean? So these rules, you define it and tell AI, no, look, if you think we need more than 3 services, you should split and name it. Maybe give it a correct name, the service, and so on.
Okay. So actually, what I understand is that from your perspective, we are heading into the direction that will be just supervisors at some point for the code that it will be generated. Cool. And so that's quite nice vision for me. Also because I'm after 15 years, I'm a little bit tired of all the typing.
Same.
But aren't you right now worried also about the costs? Because when we will need to hire good architects and we will need to pay for an AI, this cost might be quite enormous.
It depends. You know that you can run AI agents locally, right? And you don't need to buy OpenAI services or any other provider.
But then still we need to have a powerful
we need
PCs.
to have hardware things.
Exactly.
Yeah, that costs. But here is up to the company. They will decide if they think hiring engineers to do this stuff is less expensive than doing this, which I don't believe, because like it's not saving anything in the server. It's just sending requests and getting like a response from the AI. So I don't believe that it will be much expensive than hiring a software engineer.
Okay.
Hiring people is always expensive.
Yeah, that's true, and time consuming actually,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
hiring
yeah.
AI won't be that time consuming
yeah.
at some point. Okay, I really like this vision.
Yeah, I did implement a full API, like actually microservice. We configured Docker, like Docker Compose. We ran it. Everything was like working in just with one line of code.
Nice, nice. I will need to review once
Yeah,
again your code
yeah,
that
yeah.
was generated, because it was really quick on the presentation, but I really liked what
like
was
the tool
there.
did create they did open a PR in GitHub, and we did review, like AI did review the PR that AI created. you can see how crazy it is. And
Yeah, that's crazy.
it did leave some comments. Why? Because you, in reviewing, you should have reviewing tools. It can be human, it can be AI. Why? Because sometimes you write code by yourself and it's not AI. You can say, yeah, if I had this question, yeah, if you think AI will generate it will generate it for you. Why you are reviewing the PR? Because you can customize something. Yeah, AI is generating something for you, but you still can change it, right? You can change the code. So in order to guarantee that this is still work and still fits your rules, you need to implement such a reviewer, right? And it catches all flaky things you did. Also with the unit tests.
Of course, yeah,
thing.
yeah. This is what I like the most. Actually, creating tests for me, I'm going for that. that's a
Mocking
great.
everything,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's actually
Clean code, right?
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful.
You see how I write code? Very clean. Right? My AI write it.
Yeah,
Don't
and
say it.
beautiful future that is coming
Yeah.
to us.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much, Mabrouk. I really
you
enjoyed
too.
the talk, and
Same.
I really hope that we will meet each other quite soon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Bye bye.